Hey guys, Matt, IronTrap Garage, and today we're going to show you how to turn scrap metal into better metal to fix your not good metal. I don't know. We're going to go to scrapyard, get rid of a bunch of extra parts we had from cutting up that 39 Ford, the 32 truck, whatever else gets accumulated. We got everything from antique baby carriages to Model A rears that are cut up to pieces of frame, who knows what. But what the nice thing is about our favorite scrap metal yard or salvage yard is they take in old scrap and you can basically trade it in for new metal that they have there. So we're going to scrap this metal, see what we get for dollars and cents, and see what we can get with that money. The goal is to basically try and buy all the 1x1 box tubing we need to brace the 39. So hopefully we'll come back with an empty trailer, a bunch of fresh metal, and then we can work on bracing up the 39 today. So let's get started.
How much do you think we got, Matt, for your pile of junk? $5?
No. It's got to be like $26. That's my guess. What's yours?
Say 28.
28, all right.
Loser buys lunch?
Oh, damn it.
You should have priced or rated it. $1.
$1.
Man.
It's hard to say. I don't think it's that heavy, so I think it's like...
So we got a Ford Escape sitting there crushed, Volkswagen Jetta, all the washers and dryers you could ever need. This is the best place ever. Comment below with how much you think that's worth in scrap. How much did you say, Matt?
You just said 24 or $25.
Let's see what it's worth.
I gotta figure out what I'm hungry for lunch.
25 on the nose.
$25.80. Yeah, 25 bucks. 25.80.
Where do you want to go for lunch?
I don't know, probably Sheets. Now we gotta get new metal, and we'll see what we can get with our $25 if we don't overspend that, and we will get rid of a bunch of junk and get good metal all swapped out.
Over budget? How over budget do you think we're gonna be?
A bit. 78 pounds, and it's 50 cents a pound. What did we get, 25 bucks? Yeah, I think we're gonna have to pay out of pocket here a little bit, but...
That comes out of your lunch fund.
What?
Now we're eating at McDonald's now.
Damn it, that's all right.
What's the damage?
37.21. But they yelled at me because we took less metal out than we brought in.
Really?
We're supposed to take... No, he's joking. We're supposed to take more metal out than we bring in. I said, but yeah, you guys got more money out of me though.
Well, it looks like you're down to $10 total for lunch is all we can spend.
That's all right.
Window still works. Don't know if the glass is gonna explode.
Well, it's already cracked, so.
It's already gone.
Is that it?
Probably.
So your kids can't fall out the window when it's down all the way?
This is 1939. They shouldn't give a
There's no rules back then?
basically. We'll see how far that one goes down. That'd be run up there.
It's like that 36. They went down like that too.
Well, it's just your side. Nope, that's where she stops.
Okay.
Nice. It's a little bit better ventilation.
All right, so we got all the interior out. We had just thrown it back in last time when we kind of cleaned out the interior. So we pulled all that out. We pulled everything that's like easily flammable out of the inside of the car so we can start welding in our bracing. And we're going to be focusing mainly on the door jamb area because the floor is really solid from the back seat. Back is really solid, so we're not going to have to do as much bracing in the back there as if you would if you were chopping the car or something. But since we're cutting out this floor area, we definitely want to make sure that the door openings don't close in on themselves. We're going to brace across the B-pillars and make sure that all of this stuff where the structure is going to be cut out, what little is left of it, doesn't move on us. So we got that one by one box tubing at the metal yard. We're going to start measuring and finding some spots to just do some X bracing throughout, and then we're basically ready to start pulling the body off. So we'll get some bracing cut up here soon. right, so we got the whole inside of the car all braced up. It was a pretty simple process overall, other than a small thing of running out of gas, with like 3 tack welds left. That always seems to happen. But borrowed a bottle from a buddy just to get it all finished up, and we got all the bracing in. So basically what we did was he did an X brace in the B pillar area where I was afraid of the car kind of pinching together, and then we did a bar connected from the X bracing forward across the door jamb opening that's going to keep the door jamb from basically closing on itself when we pick the car, or open when we pick the car up and move it around, and of course when we cut the floors out. So now we have all that done. Mike and George were nice enough to get the steering box out. We basically have everything disconnected that would be a problem, and we can just start taking off the hardware to actually take the body off of the frame. So that is the plan, fingers crossed for next time. But this is a big step. We're just about ready to start making this thing go in the good direction, not in the shitty direction where it's been going lately of taking all the junk out of it. So soon we're going to start making stuff nice, which is pretty awesome for how little we've been working on this thing. It's exciting to see it start going in the direction of being nicer. So that's all I have for this one. I appreciate you guys following along. We do videos on Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. If you haven't, definitely hit the subscribe button and share it with a friend. Thanks, guys. Catch you later.